You throw the leaves? Want a leaf? Yep, that's what you do.
Hi, Gabriel. That's the stuff.
They're fun, aren't they? Pascal! Come here, Pascal. Do you want a treat? We'll go get him in a second. Oh, you're gonna give her a leaf?
Is that for me? Do you have a leaf for me? No.
Have fun, good babe.
Hello.
Oh, you want to get out now? Sorry. The monster out of the leaves.
Woo. You're fast.
He's walking the grass.
I see you.
It's a lot easier if you go up on your feet. Also less likely that you'll put your hands in dew. You want to stand up and walk? Here, can you walk to Daniele?
Is it not in these shoes? Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes.
I'll help you. You walk right into the leaves again? Twinkle, twinkle. Oh, right in. You like the leaves? Can you wave bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh,
Back
it's
again.
the animal.
Get the puppy!
Get the puppy!
Take him, Chop.